guys, I just got some new fidgets and I'll be showing you today. Number one, this panda poppet. This is amazing. I love it so much and it's big. Next is this Among Us poppet. It works amazing. It's really soft and I like the color. Then I got this infinity cube. It works really well, but it is pretty heavy. Then I got this huge pop tube. Then I got these mochis. Then this flower poppet. These two Neatos. And last but not least, this wonderful hexagon poppet. It's so nice. Except the quiet side isn't that great. I hope you like this video. Bye.